5 ways to make money. If your bank account is low, bills are piling up, and you're feeling the pressure to find a solution quickly. Whether it's for an unexpected expense, an emergency, or just to gain some breathing room, we've all faced situations where we needed money fast. But here's the thing. Financial stress doesn't have to control your life. There are smart, practical ways to generate income, even when time is of the essence. I'm going to share with you 5 proven methods that can help you boost your earnings quickly and get back on your feet. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes or pipe dreams. They are real, actionable strategies that anyone can tap into. The desire to make money quickly is something many of us can relate to. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, fund a new project, or just give yourself some financial breathing room, finding efficient ways to generate income is key. We live in a world where instant gratification is king. We want things fast, fast food, fast internet, fast success. But let me tell you, there is a dangerous mindset out there that is pulling us away from something far more valuable than quick wins. Job. Don't underestimate your job in pursuit of fast money. We see people chasing shortcuts, thinking they can outsmart time, experience, and effort. They believe that quick money schemes, flashy opportunities, or viral fame will somehow bypass the hard work, dedication, and learning that come with truly building something meaningful. When you commit to your job, when you wake up every day with purpose, when you refine your skills, when you pour your energy into doing better, you're not just earning a paycheck. You're building wealth in ways fast money never can. Fast money fades. It's like fireworks. It might light up the sky for a moment, but before long, it's gone. Your job, your career, is like planting a tree. It takes time, but its roots grow deep, and it becomes something that provides fruit and shelter for years to come. Your job might not be glamorous right now, but it's a part of a bigger picture. Every skill you learn, every challenge you face, is shaping you into the person who will achieve success in a sustainable, meaningful way. Do not underestimate your job. Don't get distracted by the allure of fast money. Stick to your work, improve every day, and you will find that success isn't just about the speed of earning. It's about the lasting value you create. Freelancing. Turn your skills into cash. Many of us have skills we've honed over the years. Whether it's writing, designing, programming, marketing, or even consulting, these are skills that have value, and not just in the traditional job market. There's an entire world out there, filled with clients and businesses waiting to pay you for the talents you already possess. Think about it. What if, instead of waiting for a raise or hoping for a promotion, you could create your own financial future? Freelancing gives you freedom. It's the freedom to choose your projects, your clients, and the direction of your career. It's the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, whether that's your bedroom, a cafe, or a beach in Bali. But more importantly, it gives you the freedom to take control of your financial destiny. You don't need a big investment. You don't need to quit your job. You can start on the side, building up your freelancing business in your spare time. It's all about taking that first step. I know what some of you may be thinking, but I'm not sure if I'm good enough. I don't know where to start. What if I fail? Let me tell you something. Every successful freelancer started exactly where you are now, unsure, hesitant, but with a dream. They didn't wait for the perfect moment or for all the stars to align. They jumped in, learned as they went, and got better with every gig, every project, every interaction. Let me discuss one story now. I know someone who worked a 9-to-5 job, barely getting by, but she had a knack for graphic design. One day, instead of just thinking about it, she took action, signed up on a freelancing platform, and landed her first small gig. It didn't pay much, but it opened a door. That small win gave her confidence. She started getting better clients, bigger projects, and before she knew it, her freelancing income surpassed her day job. Today, she's her own boss, works on her own terms, and has the financial freedom she once only dreamed of. You are your most valuable asset. Your time, your talents, and your unique experiences are worth more than you think. The world needs what you have to offer, and there are people out there who are willing to pay for it. The road to success in freelancing isn't always easy, but it's always rewarding. It's a journey of growth, learning, and independence. And the best part? The only thing standing between you and that success is your decision to start. Fashion stylist. First, leverage your unique vision. Every stylist has a distinct eye for fashion. Use this to your advantage. Develop a signature style or niche that sets you apart. Your portfolio is your ticket to the fast track. Invest time in creating a collection of your best work. Show off your versatility and the transformations you've achieved. A compelling portfolio can attract high-profile clients and open doors to lucrative opportunities. Network with intention. In the fashion industry, connections are everything. Attend events, collaborate with photographers, designers, and influencers. Make your presence known in the industry. The more people you know, the more chances you'll have to land high-paying gigs. Create a strong online presence to showcase your work and attract clients. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses, style tips, and client testimonials. Social media is a powerful tool to reach a broader audience and generate income quickly. Invest in commodities. Think about the commodities that shape our daily lives: gold, oil, agricultural products. These are not just raw materials. They are the lifeblood of our economies. When you invest in these commodities, you're not just putting your money into an asset, you're investing in the very forces that drive global growth and prosperity. You want to make money fast, and commodities offer that potential. The commodities market is dynamic and fast-moving. Prices can fluctuate based on global events, weather conditions, and market trends. Some of the most successful investors in history have made their fortunes by recognizing and seizing opportunities in commodities. They didn't wait for the perfect moment. They acted with conviction, embraced the risks, and reaped the rewards. Traders. The key to making money fast in trading isn't just about following trends or reacting to market signals. It's about embracing a mindset of resilience and agility. It's about understanding that while the market can be volatile, it also creates openings for those who are prepared to act decisively. Let me share a story of a trader who transformed their approach and achieved remarkable success. This trader was once just like many of you, eager but inexperienced, excited but unsure. They faced countless setbacks and moments where their resolve was tested. But what set them apart was their ability to adapt, learn, and innovate. This trader studied the markets obsessively, not just to understand them, but to anticipate them. They developed a strategy that was both flexible and robust, allowing them to pivot quickly in response to new information. They didn't shy away from risks, but assessed them with a calculated and informed perspective. They learned from their failures, turning them into stepping stones rather than stumbling blocks. Their journey wasn't a straight line to success. It was filled with ups and downs. But through persistence and continuous learning, they turned every challenge into an opportunity. They didn't wait for the perfect moment. They created it through. The market is waiting for you to make your move. Seize the opportunity, act with purpose, and let your success be the testament to your dedication and skill. The world of trading is yours to conquer. Embrace it with courage and determination, their actions and decisions. So, what can we learn from this story? First and foremost, that making money fast in trading isn't about luck. It's about preparation, strategy, and execution. It's about having the discipline to stick to your plan and the flexibility to adapt when things don't go as expected. It's about harnessing your knowledge, skills, and instincts to make informed decisions quickly. Remember, the market is a living, breathing entity that responds to both the known and the unknown. To thrive, you must be ready to act with precision and confidence. We've explored 5 diverse and actionable strategies for making money quickly. It's essential to remember that while these strategies can provide immediate relief, they also require effort, skill, and sometimes a bit of creativity. The key to success in any of these avenues lies in choosing the approach that aligns with your strengths, resources, and long-term goals. Making money fast is not just about finding quick fixes, but also about building a foundation for future financial stability. By staying adaptable, continuing to learn, and keeping a proactive mindset, you can turn these strategies into stepping stones towards greater financial success.